Ready to ditch the printer and pen and sign documents like a pro, digitally? First, head over to DocuSign.com and either log into your existing account or sign up for a free trial if you're new. Once you're in, look for the Upload button. It is usually large and prominent. Click on that to select the PDF document you want to sign from your computer. DocuSign will now load your PDF. You'll see a sidebar on the left with various options. Drag and drop the signature field onto the desired location on your document. Now, DocuSign will prompt you to create your signature. You can choose to type your name, draw it with your mouse or trackpad, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose the method that works best for you. Once you're happy with your signature, click Adopt and Sign. Your signature will now be placed exactly where you dropped the signature field. Review your document to ensure everything looks correct. If it does, click the Finish button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. DocuSign will then give you the option to download a copy of the signed document to your computer, or to share it directly with others, and that's it. You've successfully signed a PDF using DocuSign.